a nearby tower, and climbing to the top, would throw myself up in an effort to make clear to whoever what it's like when you're shattered, left standing in the lurch at a church where people were saying, my God, that stuff, she stood him up. No point in us remaining, we may as well go home, 'cause I did on my own.
What's up mga mananap? Akong Loh, guys. Nakita ko aray cake. Patubuay ng mga psychedelic. Di ko sawa dito sa psychedelic diri. Di kayo. Pero kung isang kauban guys, naduwag na siya. Nahadlock siya guys. Tara siya. Nan. Na na na. Na 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 na. Na na na. Kung isa kang girlfriend, si Kuan, pasyalan tayo sa aming mountain province here. Guys, water lily guys, meron pong water lily dito sa loob ng aming, hindi namin to farm guys ha, pero piling sa akin tong lugar kasi ako lang talagang mag-isa, solo ko talaga, na para bang so delicious.